Sam Altman, the founder and CEO of OpenAI, was delivering a lecture on role of artificial intelligence. He told that humanity is on the path to self-destruction. But AI is not going to take us there to that path of destruction sooner. On the contrary, AI is the most transformative and beneficial technology humanity has yet invented. If we can take care of some of the downsides, then AI could be the solution that can save us. These were his views. Basically, what he was telling us, that keep funding our AI projects, do not put more roadblocks on our development. There would be terrible effect at times, but you just bear with that. AI is not like other technological developments that are leading us to destruction. He insisted the decade when humanity will transition from scarcity to abundance. So in essence, he was predicting a rosy picture for humanity for millions of years to come. But you know the irony? The irony is that he was unaware of his own immediate future. After a few hours, he was shocked. He came to know that he was sacked as CEO of OpenAI, the company that he founded. It is like an astrologer predicting the future for you for every national and international event. But he does not know his own future. So do not rely on anyone to see where you are moving, where humanity is moving. Just look at yourself keenly. We do not have time for anything meaningful. We do not look our own minds and our own thoughts very minutely. When we watch videos on internet, believing that we are educating ourselves, even at that time we are merely looking for entertainment stuff only. There is another point to understand from Sam Altman's sacking. It is the relationship of the founder with the company. The company would not have been possible without him. But the founders will have to understand that they are different from their companies. The company can chart its own independent course. This needs to be understood by parents who want to own their children or are saddened when their children take an independent decision. Nobody is going to take away a company in nascent stage. Likewise, the parents have the right to take decisions for their children when they are very young. But when the company grows, there are many other stakeholders who will join, and that happens mostly with the knowledge of the founder. And then the stakeholders can have different views, different motives. So too, when a child grows, it can have other relationships, other motives. Their nature could be different. They may have different abilities which the parents does not know. The parents will have to accept the independence of their children. However, this scenario does not apply in all the conditions. There are limitations for all examples. We will see one such right now. We have seen that trustees have been troubling or throwing out the founder saint of an ashram. The difference here is that The ashram is not separate from the saint. Without the saint, there would not have been any ashram. Just like a company is not there without the founder, or the child is not there without the parent. But without the saint, the ashram loses its all attraction. That is the main difference. Without that person, there is no ashram. Trust and trustees are legal requirements, and these requirements are not based on Indian culture. They have been thrust upon us by the colonialists. We need to show respect to the founders of any religious place. They may make mistakes, but we will have to still accept them, and we cannot throw them out of their own ashram. Coming back to Sam Altman's case, it is important that truth comes out, because OpenAI is a not-for-profit organization. To carry out its service to humanity, it needed funds, which meant they had to do business, and that has become the case nowadays. That is another thing that we have to learn from this example, from this event, that if one wants to do charity, then also one has to do in the business way. Business has become the most important activity of mankind. That is very unfortunate. The work of AI has the implication for entire artificial intelligence industry and that domain. Where this industry will proceed, that will depend on the developments in that company. The how, when, and to what extent AI and oversight over AI, these are all the questions of very much importance to mankind, and so the truth in OpenAI dramas should come out. The tech industry has an adage that nobody is indispensable. Beyond a certain research phase, when an idea takes the form of a formal company, everyone, including the founder, becomes dispensable. It is not desirable, but if need be, that can happen. Similarly, in life too, we see many a times that certain people are indispensable to our country, to our favorite sports team, or just in our personal life. But things move even without them. Life is very flexible. It has this auto balance feature which works to even out things. Eventually, everything passes away. Somebody's absence may have generated a void in us. This void also gets filled up eventually. Everything passes away. It is our misunderstanding that we are responsible for everything and that we are creating the events happening around us. Events just happen, things get created, things stay for a while, and then things move. You will never find a stable pole in outside life. For stability, look within. No one can remove you from there. Everything of yours is dispensable, but you are indispensable. You remain forever. So worry not about these sakings or about any surprises that life throws at you. You know that Sam has been again taken back as CEO. The board which threw him out has been shown the door. Things just happen. When he was initially shocked, there was no need to be shocked. And now when the board is sacked, there is no need to be shocked either. Things just happen. He has joined back, and again a time will come when he would not be the CEO. Things just happen.